Things break all the time, so you try messy glue, but now you're stuck holding pieces together. Fingers stick and glue never works. What you need is Lazer Bond USA, the amazing liquid plastic that fixes, fills, fastens, and seals virtually anything in as little as 3 seconds. Lazer Bond is not a glue, but a unique liquid plastic that only hardens with the UV light. Watch in real time. Simply apply, aim the UV light, and in just 3 seconds, you have a repair that lasts. Plastic, metal, glass, or wood, repairs are fixed right with a UV light. The magic? A powerful liquid plastic compound that hardens strong as a rock under ultraviolet light. Now fill in plumbing leaks in 3 seconds or less. Instantly repair kids' toys and keep playtime flying. The best part, the adhesive is made in the USA, so it's guaranteed to hold tight or your money back.
Wow, that is fast.
It bends, it's flexible.
And I love that it's made here in the USA.
Watch, we cut a boat in half. Can Lazer Bond connect both ends? Wow, the boat floats with no danger to the passenger. Amazing! Lazer Bond can be sanded and painted, so repairs can look new again. If you mess up applying it, just wipe clean. There's no sticky residue, and it only cures with the UV light, so you can make sure the repair is just right.